Good morning guys, it is currently 9 a.m. My dad woke us up today at 7 a.m. We had breakfast, we had coffee, and then we headed out trying to get some cool shots of seagull at the coast. We live about 30 minutes away from the coast and from the sea, and wish us luck. Trying to find some seagull to take shots of. The weather is a bit cloudy, not what we have hoped for. I hope it was sunny and clear. That would have helped us a lot, but hopefully we'll find some seagull. Alright, let's go. So guys, right off the bat, we spotted 2 seagull flying in the distance. Right now, my dad is preparing the settings on the camera to start shooting. Right there. Let me see. And the shot is looking sharp. Another seagull spotted, and hopefully my dad would be able to capture some shots of it. Unfortunately, we just noticed that the lens has some dirt from the inside. So my dad is now trying to clean it up. And we're good to go. This is my first time vlogging. I'm barely looking at the camera without even noticing, but hopefully I get used to it. This might be our first video, or maybe the second. We are working on a video doing close-up shots of various objects in our kitchen. It'll be like a guessing game for you guys. I just noticed that I say guys a lot, but that's okay. You might think the shots are easy to take, but it really takes dedication and patience. The shots might look simple, but I promise you they're not. It took us so much time to get the shots that we've taken, and we also missed a couple. That was a small bird, by the way, not a seagull. It started raining, guys. So we had to wait in the car for a bit, hoping it would calm down so we could continue our shooting. The rain stopped, so we rushed out of the car, and there was a lot flying close to us. So there's a lot of them right now. We checked when we were in the car. We got some really good shots, but we're still trying to get more. My dad uses, I think it's called continuous shot or burst, to get multiple shots at once. So guys, we were gonna fly the drone, but it's just way too windy for it to be stabilized and in place. And I did not want to lose my drone in the sea because I'm not going in there for it. Hopefully we'll get more drone shots in later videos. Even when I'm talking to you, I'm still on the lookout for more seagull to capture. There's one right there my dad's taking a picture of. There's one right there. Guys, the wind is crazy today. Because my hat is about to fly off. Guys, whenever I tell my dad, let's go, we got enough shots, he spots another seagull, and he just aims at it. I just want to go home. I'm really hungry. My dad just took a couple of pictures of me. It's getting really windy and cold, so we'll be heading out. I think it is safe to say that our run was successful. Our hunt for seagull is over. We are right now heading back home. It took us about, let me check the clock. It took us about 2 hours and a half to get some really good shots. We are really satisfied and happy with the shots we got. Like, we took some really good pictures, and we were gonna go to the mountains and try to find some insects to do some macro photography, but the weather is not helping. It's raining right now. The wind is blowing really hard. It will be really hard for us to get our equipment in the rain, and I'll just leave that to another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. It would really help if you guys would subscribe, hit the like button, and do 10 push-ups, 9 pull-ups. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.